Don't go to Jersey Mike's. Let's make a steak sandwich that's worth cooking.
I can't stop eating these French baguettes. They're delicious. Season your steak with salt, pepper,
Garlic powder.
rub it in and smack it. Pour a generous amount of oil in a pan and sear your steak. Then cut up an onion.
You want these to be thin but not super thin?
Now scrape it up. Cut one bell pepper into thin slices. Scrape it up. Now a jalapeno. Just dice it up. Mix all your vegetables together and throw them into the same pan that you cooked your steak in. Throw a French baguette in the oven at 400 degrees for 10 minutes. Take it out and give it a smooch. Top it with provolone cheese and use gloves when handling your bread because it's hot. Squirt a generous amount of mayo on your sandwich for some moisture and then press down on your sandwich. Enjoy.